Hi, Assalamualaikum. Today I will explain about graph y equals to mx plus c. So what is your m? What is the meaning of m? This is for gradient. Okay, so what is the gradient formula? Is the m equals to y2 minus y1 over x2 minus x1. So what is c? C is our y-intercept. Okay, all right, now let's proceed with the first question. Okay, so your y equals to x plus 3. So that means this is your gradient. So your gradient will be 1. Okay, your c equals to 3. Okay, so now, okay, how to sketch our graph. So this is x, this is y. So our y-intercept is here, so that means 3. Okay, so now this is a positive graph. Okay, positive graph, negative graph. Okay, so basically your graph is like this. Okay, so we want to find what is our value here. So now y equals to mx plus c. So now, okay, your m equals to what? 1, right? Okay, 1. So y equals to x plus c. Okay, now your c equals to 3. Correct? So y equals to x plus 3. So I want to know, okay, what is our value here? So here I'll put 0. This is 0, 3, right? The coordinate 0, 3. So here is 0 and here is x plus 3. So now, so here you bring here, your x will be negative 3. So here is negative 3. Okay, now next one. If your if your equation is y equals to x minus 2, okay, so that means your m is 1 and your c is negative 2. Okay, same thing. So this is a positive graph also because no sign negative in front of x. So this is x and this is y. So your y-intercept will be here. Okay, negative 2. So basically your graph is like this. Okay, so you want to find is y equals to x minus 2. Okay, so your y will be 0, right? Okay, 0 equals to x minus 2. So now your x will be 2. So that means here is 2. Okay, now one more. Okay, we'll put here m and c. Okay, so let's say I give you y equals to negative x plus 3. Okay, see, you see the sign negative. So basically our graph here is negative. So now here is negative 1, our gradient. So our c is 3. Now, okay, so this is x and this is y. So our y-intercept is here 3. Okay, our graph is negative. Okay, so basically it's like this. See, right hand, so is a negative. So what is the value here? Okay, so you have to put y equals, take your equation, yeah, negative x plus 3. So your y here is 3, right? Okay, so you put 0, put y equal to 0 because you want to find your value for x. So negative x plus 3. Okay, so now this is negative, opposite negative will be positive. So here will be 3. So here is 3. Okay, now next one. Let's say I give you y, the equation is y equals to 3x minus 2. So in front of x is 3, so your gradient is 3. Your c is negative 2, so negative 2. Okay, so there are no sign negative here, so that means our graph is positive. Okay, so this is x and this is y. Our negative 2 is here, y-intercept is here. Okay, so now this is a positive graph. Okay, so basically your graph will be like this. Okay, because left hand. Okay, so now what is the value here? Okay, so now take the equation y equals to 3x minus 2. We want to find x value, so we put 0 for y, because here is 0, right? What is our value x here? So 0 equals to 3x minus 2. I bring this negative 2 to this side, so it will be positive, right? 3x. So x will be 2 over 3. Okay? So here will be 2 over 3. Okay. Next, last one. Okay, so I give you y equals to 2 minus x, so rearrange. So y equals to negative x plus 2. So basically we know our gradient here is negative 1 for gradient. Your c-intercept, sorry, your y-intercept will be 2. Okay, so since in front of x we have sign negative, so our graph will be like this. Okay. Okay, so here is y and here is x. So basically this is 2. Okay, our y-intercept. So our graph is negative. Okay, so it will be like this. Okay, so what is the value here? We know here is y is 0. So put the equation y equals to 2 minus x. Your y is 0. So 2 minus x, I bring negative x to this side, so it will be positive. So your x is 2 here. Okay? Okay, that's all for today. Don't forget to subscribe and Assalamualaikum.